Hello dear students, welcome back. This is Joseline here, and today I have come here to present a very interesting topic. Okay, before going to the topic, you just look at the screen. I have two statements for you. One, this car is faster than that car. This car is faster than that car. And the second one, Sheila is not as good as Shama. Sheila is not as good as Shama. See, faster and good, we have used them to compare two things and two persons here, right? We use comparisons many a times in our daily life. Okay. See, the first case, faster. This is an adjective. When you compare, you must use adjectives, right? See, I used faster in first case and good in second case. See, faster is a different adjective and good is a different adjective. Both are different forms. Okay? So, in today's topic, I will teach you the three forms of adjectives and how to convert one form to another form. Transformation of sentences. Okay, so today's topic is degrees of comparison. Okay, but before that, let us know what is an adjective. Adjective is a word that describes or tells us or gives information about the noun or pronoun, right? Got the point, dear students? So adjectives come in three versions. They have three versions. One is positive, second one is comparative, and the last one is superlative. Okay, dear students. Okay, so in first case, we have used comparative form, faster. In second case, good, we have used positive form. What I want to say is, when we speak about or when you are comparing two things or two persons or two nouns, we have only two degrees of comparison, positive and comparative. There will be no superlative, because superlative degree comes only when there is a group, more than two. Okay, see, faster is comparative and the base adjective, that is positive form, that is fast, and the superlative form is fastest. And fastest comes only when we have a group. Got the point, dear students? Okay, good is positive degree and the comparative form of good is better and the superlative form is best. So what you have to understand from these two examples is that most of the adjectives have ER and EST form in their comparative and superlative forms. Okay, all adjectives are called base adjectives, positive degrees, and in comparative and superlative forms we have EST and ER forms, ER and EST forms. In most cases, not in every case. Some cases have more and most. For example, beautiful, handsome, talented. We cannot write beautifuler, handsomer, so there we write more handsome, more beautiful, more talented. In superlative we write most beautiful, most talented, most handsome. Got the point, students? Okay. In today's class, let us learn how to convert a positive degree into comparative and comparative into positive. In the next class, I will teach you how to convert them into superlative, or how to convert a superlative into positive and comparative. In today's class, let us learn how to convert a positive degree into comparative and comparative into positive. Look at the screen. Ranjan is taller than Ramu. Ranjan is taller than Ramu. Adjective used here is taller. Is it a positive degree or comparative degree? This is comparative. I'll convert this into positive degree. See, Ramu is not as tall as Ranjan. Ramu is not as tall as Ranjan. See, both the statements convey same meaning, but their grammatical structures are different. Both convey same meaning, but structures are different. The first one is called comparative degree and the second one is called positive degree. Got the point, dear students? In comparative degree, you see we have used ER form of the base adjective, that is positive is tall, and we have used ER form, and also we have used THN, than, conjunction, mandatory. Got the point here? I see the positive form, we have used as twice, and between these two words as the base adjective, that is tall has come. Okay, as in between, see, between these two has we have tall. Sometimes we use so and as. Okay, either as or so as, but between as and has or so and as, the base adjective must come, that is the positive degree must come. That's a simple rule. And one more important thing is, if the comparative degree is an affirmative sentence, the positive degree must be a negative statement. See here, the comparative is affirmative and the positive degree is negative. Okay, now I will give one more example. See that Peter is as loyal as Pankaj. Peter is as loyal as Pankaj. See, this is a positive degree, but the statement is not negative. See, in first case, positive degree but negative statement, but here positive degree and positive statement. So in such cases we have to write comparative degree in negative statement. See how Pankaj is not more loyal than Peter. Say comparative degree, we have used more loyal, more loyal, most loyal. So we have used more loyal comparative form, and you see the statement, it is negative. So these are some basic rules you must remember. In positive degree, we have to use as and as or so and as. In between them, we have to use the base form, that is positive degree. In case of comparative, we have to use ER or sometimes MORE plus THA than conjunction. And if the positive statement is a negative, if the positive degree is a negative statement, the comparative degree must be a positive statement, and vice versa. Got the point? Let us continue. Next one. Kaveri was more talented than him. Kaveri was more talented than him. See, than and MORE, more. These two are enough to say that this is a comparative degree. Okay, and we are comparing two persons here, Kaveri and him. This is comparative and we can convert this into positive. Okay, you bring him this side, it becomes he. Was is past tense already. You retain the helping verb as it is, don't change it. He was, see, Kaveri was more talented than him. It's a positive statement and positive statement but comparative degree. You are going to form positive degree, but the positive degree must be a negative statement, and the answer is he was not as talented as Kaveri. Got the point, dear students? One more example. David is not as good as Manish. David is not as good as Mahesh. See, good is in fact a positive degree, and see as come. Or you can write like this also. David is not so good as, or not as good as, both are correct. And see, between as and as or between so and as, good as comes. So this is positive degree. Is to identify. Okay, see, this is in fact a negative statement but positive degree, and you are going to convert this into a comparative degree, and it must be a positive statement, affirmative statement. See how Manish is better than David. Better is the comparative form of good, and say than, and it is in fact an affirmative statement because the positive degree is already in a negative form. As simple as that. Got it, students? One more. Tejas is as obedient as Dhanush. Tejas is as obedient as Dhanush. See, Tejas is as obedient as Dhanush. See, as and obedient has come in between. What degree is this? Very good. This is positive. Convert this into comparative, and see, the positive degree is also a positive statement. You have to write comparative degree, but it must be a negative statement. See how Dhanush is not more obedient than Tejas. Dhanush is not more obedient than Tejas. Negative sentence but comparative degree. Okay, dear students. Okay, I'll give you more examples for practice. Just look at the board. I given 5 statements and its conversions as well. I converted positive to comparative and comparative to positive. Look at them and try to become thorough. In the next class, I will explain how to convert a superlative degree into its positive and comparative form. And also we'll learn how to convert a positive degree into superlative and comparative, and how to convert a comparative into superlative and positive degree. Okay, but before that, you please learn this topic very thoroughly. Okay, let us make a quick review. Okay, so when we are comparing two things, two nouns, okay, we have only 2 degrees of comparison, positive and comparative. Okay, so if we have a positive degree, if we are given a positive degree and we are comparing two there, so you can convert that only into comparative form, you cannot convert that into superlative form. And if the positive degree is an affirmative statement, the comparative must be a negative statement, and vice versa. Alright? Okay, and not all adjectives have ER and EST form in their comparative and superlative degrees. Some have more and most, and some have different forms like good, better, best, little, less, least. Okay, please remember this formula, these rules, and convert a positive degree into comparative or comparative into positive. Stay tuned for next video.